Hi everyone, Keyless Entry here. Today I'm doing a Stock Lock Sunday video. Well, gonna try it, so anyway. Yeah, if you saw my last video, starting to feel a little bit better. So I'm starting to get back into picking locks again. So today I've got this ABUS 8345. This is one of the earlier ones. If I can get focus, iPad work with me. There we go. So yeah, this is not like a serious Z, it's just the 8345. So there we go, easy. Alright, it's got the 1000 core, which I've been told is the Corbin Russwin keyway. Here's the key, so you got the 1000 there, ABUS, the original key from the core. 6-pinner, a little bit of up-down action there, it's nothing too crazy. It's got 1 serrated and 6 spools because I have picked and gutted it previously. I do have a Corbin Russwin that I have picked on the channel before, and it's the only other one I've got really. And I was just comparing the keyways, and they almost look the reverse of each other, except there's no warding on the left here, but there is on the right there. So not really sure. I think I can confirm what sort of keyway that is. If it is a Corbin Russwin, that'll be wonderful, you know, that would be great. More knowledge the better. Alrighty, let's try to give it a pick. Let's go back down here. There we go. So she works fine. Beautiful. Let's get viced up. There we go. Nice. Alrighty, so tension is, I can go top of the keyway, and I reckon I'll go from the bottom. It's a pretty wide open keyway. Hopefully that will fit in there. Oh, it fits in there nice and tight. Yes. And bottom of the kit. So as you can see there, this is a 19 thousandths, and that little bit of warding there on the right, 19,000 just needs past it. So if anything needs a full lift, I can do that. But yeah, any thicker than that, and yeah, you'd probably be picking the warding or getting jammed up or losing all your feedback. Anyway, alright, let's get down here and do some picking if we can. Alrighty then. It's a little bit dark. I might try to get some better lighting. There we go. Alright. So hopefully that'll stay in there nicely. Okay. Just see pin 1. That's good. That's good alignment now. And pin 1 is binding. Okay, got a click out of him, a little bit of movement. So he must be the serrated gatekeeper to the spools. Jeez, this is a really tall keyway. Can't get him, there we go. So into a false set now. Alright, so that's 1. 2, 3, gotta make sure I'm not picking the warding here because it's okay. I reckon I'm on 4 there. Okay, that's 4. I believe he's set. Alright, that's 5. Oops, something dropped. Okay, something did drop though, I can hear it. 1, 2, 3, it was 4. I'll leave it alone for now. I'll go on the back, try to find 6. It's a very narrow fit actually to get to the pins. Go, oh, just touched 6 and went to the belly of the spool, I think. Or I set it because got a lot of movement on the tensioner. So I'm getting a counter off him. No. I'll counter off this one here. Okay, got a set there. No, nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. Let's go back again. Feels like there is a pin there. Okay, that's 6 there. Right, so I picked 5 instead of 6 before. Right, let's try to set 6. Okay, lost my false set. What's going on now? I feel like I'm underwater now. I feel like I've overset 6. Let's try again. 1, 2. 3's dropped. 4's dropped. Okay, deeper false set. I didn't set 4 properly the first time. That's the warding there. 5 might be set. Let's go back to 6. 6 is smushy. That's 5. Make sure I'm on the pin. Yep. Oh yes, we got an open. Alrighty. So 6 must have been set. Must have set it, and yeah. Alrighty. Cool. That feels great to get a pic on camera again. It's been a little while, so feels awesome. Alrighty. So let's cut this thing out. Yeah. Right. Here we go. Screw. Okay, this has got a different style ABUS housing. See that set up there. I was going to do a video on all the different ABUS cores because I think I've got about 4 or 5 different variations, and yeah, I think they're mostly demographic, and I've found all of them in 8345s, so yeah, they must be demographic. I think this one might be from the US, or the core might be from the US, but this one here has got a little pin to stop it from over rotating. The other ones have like a tailpiece or an insert into the back of it to stop it from going past 90 degrees. Some of these press in, while others the pin needs pulling out. I think on this one the pin needs pulling out, and there we go. So yeah, there's no spring in there or anything like that, and then you can put the key in, which is over here, and then you can sort of rotate it, or if you want to quick change pins, there's your pins in there. So yep. Alright, let's get a shim because it's got a lip on it because of the circlip, and dump out those key pins and drivers. Right, so we'll go with this type of follower, I guess. That will work. Right. There we go. So everything needed picking. It's fully populated, as you can see. Nothing too crazy. Alright, let's get this out of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Nothing special about the core, slightly flattened on top of those chambers there, but very slightly. I'm not sure if you can see that in the light or not, but it's very slight. Okay, keeping it short on there. It's also got a mixture of keep-ins here. Like a lab style one here, and a different, might need to work on that and get them all the same. Alrighty, drivers. Yeah, so one is that serrated, very light serrations, copper looking sprung, and maybe go with the spools. So like that, yep. Yeah, I'm going through a bit of an ABUS stage at the moment. I really like ABUS's. I reckon they're excellent locks. Yeah, just like the look of them. I like the serviceability of them and everything like that. They're just, I don't know. Hey, and number 4 popped out too. He was in a rush. Yeah, I just really like our ABUS locks. Padlocks. I've only got a couple of ABUS Euros, I think. But yes, that's the bowl, nothing special about it. And here are your pins. Alrighty. Let's get a focus and close up of these. Alrighty, so as you can see, all standard key pins. Nothing special about them really. That 5th one looks like it's got a bit of a taper on it, but oh, they all do actually. Okay, yeah, right. So they're not like a locked taper, not as extreme. And one is like a stubble, slightly serrated, and the rest are these lovely spools with all copper springs. Alrighty guys, that's all for me for this Stock Lock Sunday, sort of late edition. Well, I'm trying to get focus back down here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.